All right, the program 6.7 vote eligibility means, everyone vote to choose a leader or a minister, right? So uh, our program is to find a print whether a person is eligible to vote or not. Okay, so basically the program prompt a user, a person, to enter his age. Now when the user enter the age, okay, the program should display a print a message that he is eligible to vote or not. So the minimum age to vote is 21 years and above. Is already been set, means if a person he has age 23 25 years, then he is eligible to vote. If he is less than 21, he is not eligible to vote, right? So he's given here, the to vote a person age must be minimum. The minimum age is means 21 or above 21, right? So that's he is eligible under less. Now the program must run as long as users wish to continue by entering yes or white text or character, means so after printing the message, a person is eligible to vote or not, the program will again ask a user to, do you wish to continue, do you want to continue the program to run again. Yes, it will ask you again at the end of the program. It will ask you, do you want to continue? So if you say yes, it will again ask you the user age. I mean, person age. As long you say yes, yes, it will. If you say no, program will exit. Right now, this program is analogy to ATM machine. You see, whenever you want to perform some transaction, you will enter your data, you will enter your PIN number, you complete the transaction. Like you want to withdraw some money, you want to withdraw deposit, you want to pay some bills. So after completing your transactions, the last transaction is that, do you want to another transaction? It will ask, it will prompt. I mean, a person, do you want to continue? Do you want to continue with a new transaction? So then user has an option, yes or no, lam or nam, right? La or nam, like this. So here, so then he will say yes, means again the whole process will start. Similarly, it is similar to this one. Here, user enter the age. If we say yes or eligible to vote or not eligible to vote, then it will ask you, do you want to continue the program? Yes. If you say yes, it will again continue the same process until you enter no. Right. So let's do this program. So here, let's create a class. Name vote or voting system or voting eligibility. I just say voting, right? We'll be studying white main. So this is your 6.7. Okay, voting, right? So here, just to save the space, I'm just reviewing the unnecessary spaces here. Okay, so very first thing is double age. Age is double data. Okay, and there is another option for prompting the age. It is age variable. Another is for character. To, do you wish to, I mean, are you wish to continue the next answer? It's a character option, right? So I say here char option option, two variables. So next here, now this is because the first it will, we can say, print the message. Are you first enter the age and everything, then it will check the condition, do you want to continue? So this is an example of do while statement, do while loop. So first do and while. So here if you say here sys is out, you say here enter, say here please enter your age, please enter your age, right? So this is enter using scanner, right? So scanner input equal to new scanner system dot in. Now import the package, import this class, import the package here, util java.util scanner, right? So now you enter the age. So age equal to what? Input dot next double, right? about the age, right? Now I'm checking the age. If a person age is greater than equal to 21 is eligible, and I say yes is out. Say here eligible to vote, eligible to vote because it's more than 21. Otherwise, not eligible, right? Not eligible, isn't it? Then after this one is not eligible, then it's a yes is out again here. So do you want to continue like this? Do you wish to continue, right, like this? And the yes or y or n, like question mark, right? So if you wish to continue, press y. Otherwise, if you don't want to wish, if you don't want to continue, press n, right? So that's the condition here. So while that's an option, right? So that's an option here. That's the option here. Option equal to input dot next dot is a method here, right? To read a character index value, right? That's the thing. Option. Now this option is option. If option is equal to y, small y or capital Y arrow. You can take anyone, right? You can go with both. Okay. Compare with capital Y, uppercase letter, small letter or uppercase letter. That's a program here. So let's hope you understand. So just let me minimize this one. Okay. Window here, right? So save the program and run it. See, please enter your age. Now my age is 25. Assume, right? Hit enter. Now say eligible to vote because is eligible, right? Now program asks you prompting, do you wish to continue? Say yes. So enter y. Enter y. I enter y here, right? So better you just write it here. Remove this one next line. So better you, it will not prompt the next. Okay. Say, do you wish to continue? Yes. Say y. Then enter your age again. I'm entering here. Age is my age is 20. When we say here age is not eligible because 20 is not eligible, but still the program will ask you, do you want to continue? Say capital Y. I'm entering capital Y. Look here, right? I'm entering capital Y here. Then it will please enter. Means the program again asking, what is your age? Example, if I say here 40 is eligible. Do you want to continue? Say if I say other than Y because it takes only Y. Okay, other than y, if you take you another value other than y, another character, it will exit. Mostly we say n, right? Means no. Hit enter, program finished. It is not doing anything. So in this case, what you do here, better you keep one more exit statement here, right? Put it here, exit. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Clear? So here you can say here this one is not necessary. Okay. Let's re again run the game programs with more support. So he is see entering the cursor here directly. So I'm giving some, I'm just move the ln. So here if I say 50 age is eligible, right? The next, do you want to continue? Say yes. Yes means enter the age. If I say here 15 years, no, not eligible. See, not eligible. You want to continue? Say no. Thank you. So means you say thank you, right? That's the program. Okay. So simple program here.